Hey, hello guys, welcome in my video. I am miEye and today we gonna do a show off of a full key set of YMDK. It's a 125 key set, so for a full size keyboard. It is an OEM, so it's a higher profile than a normal keycap, and a thicker keycap. It is 1.5 mm thickness. It is from a durable PBT, so possibly it will be durable. And yeah, let's dive deeper in to see what this set has in store for us. So let's go. What keycaps I gonna replace is the keyboard from ANSI's chocolate cubes with a first blood switch, also known as a blue switch. A very tactile switch. It's a 10 keyless keyboard, so we don't need the full set, but only 84 I believe. What does this set include? Of course an escape button, spacebar, the normal keys, a full size keyboard though, keycap set, and a big enter button, but you can also use the regular enter button. It depends on what keyboard you have. So it's for multiple options, pretty good. And let's start using the keycaps. These keycaps are 1.55 mm, so a little bit above 1.5 mm. That's great, because the bigger I can get them, the better, in my opinion. So I replaced the two bottom rows of the keyboard, the spacebar, the control for example, from Z to question mark. And you can see the difference of the keycaps. Some people would like the chocolate keycaps, but I prefer to have a clear font. And yeah, overall I like clear fonts, so I can easier see them if I misclick or anything, especially with a new keyboard. I get it more often, so I really like the keycaps so far. The final result of the keyboard is like this. Escape, F1, F2 in white, then you get gray top, and then F9, F10, 11, F12 in white, and so on. You can see it yourself. It's actually gray with a brown base. It's actually pretty cool. I don't use caps lock, I never use it. This is the final result. Chocolate cubes combination with YMDK keycaps. OEM profile, so a little bit higher, and 1.55 thickness. And yeah, I'm really happy with this clear font. I can easily see the buttons. If I'm mistaken, I can easily find the keys. So yeah guys, little type test. If you like this type of videos, say them in the comment section, and possibly I will make a new keyboard, not only for you guys, but also I try to find a better optical tactile switch. So if Razer is making that one on the market, I will buy it. So stay tuned. If they release it, I will buy the keyboard, and of course maybe replace the keycaps. See you guys, and thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.